It's a sewing machine. It's not a marble. How hard can it be to find? They're not really small, are they? Now, what did I do with my domestic sewing machine? I swear this aisleway used to be bigger. Let me turn sideways. Oh. Good thing I had a light breakfast. Oh, this is a tight squeeze. Oh boy. Now, what did I do with that domestic? How hard can it be to find one little old sewing machine? I hate when that happens. Whoa, hello, baby. I've been asked several times to sell that, and I've been holding off. Nope. Until I find a second one. One time I had a chance to buy a second one for $500, but I didn't buy it. Because I don't know if I've ever seen $500 all at one time. And someone tried to tell me they make $100 bills. Yeah, sure they do. Hello, I think I found you. Domestic. I have a member that's looking for a shuttle. Not getting mine, but it's nice to have the machine to take that shuttle out and compare it to the 200 plus shuttles I just received in 2 different buys. So that's really nice. I'm buying out the inventory of other sewing machine repairmen that are retiring. And I'm sure it's going to happen to me one day. Somebody's going to do real well buying my inventory. But not yet. So there she is. I found her. And I got a second one. Is she the same? She looks identical. Thanks for watching.